guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying the viral sock curls. So like you all can see, I have like really straight hair and curls usually don't last on my hair no matter, like I've tried curling irons, I've tried a lot of techniques, but they don't work on my hair. My hair instantly, like within 5 to 10 minutes, it gets wavy and then it gets straight. So it really doesn't last on my hair, but let's see if this one lasts, or at least let's see the outcome of this. So I'm just gonna do the sock curls. I'm gonna keep it on for like 3 to 4 hours and let's see the outcome. So I'm gonna show you all how to do the process, and also if we fail or if we pass in these sock curls. So let's go ahead and see what happens. First, we're going to begin with sectioning my hair.
Why?
I know this looks very funny, but let's wait for 3 hours and then see if this has worked for us, if this is a pass or a fail.
A few moments later.
So I am ready to reveal how my hair has turned out now. Let's see if we've achieved the curls or if it was a fail. So the reason I thought of trying this hack is because it's all viral all over the internet, and I've seen everyone achieve the curls that they want and that literal blowout look, which I love. So let's hope that I also achieve the curls, or if it's a fail, I'll be really sad. But you know, it's okay, I understand, because my hair doesn't carry curls very well. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, I think... Are we getting the curls? Let's see. What is this? I love it. I literally did not imagine getting this. Do you see how bouncy it looks? Let's try the next side now. Are we ready yet? Because I am not. I'm really looking forward to this.
So then, why?
Okay, I see curls on this side as well. Can you all look at this? The curls on both the sides. I love them. They're so bouncy. So definitely this hack is a pass from my end, and I think you all should definitely try this. So my hair has already started to get wavy now, because like I told you all, curls don't stay on my hair until and unless I apply a setting spray. And you all will for sure achieve curls overnight. So you all should do this overnight actually. I have just done this in the daytime because I just wanted to test it out. But I'm going to try this again. So did we like how this turned out? Because I definitely loved it. It's so bouncy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.